Welcome back to Automobiles. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 14, a modern interpretation of the iconic classic that originally won hearts in the mid-20th century. Volkswagen has brought back this beauty with a fresh, futuristic approach, combining nostalgic design cues with cutting-edge technology. If you're a fan of timeless design and modern engineering, you're going to love this review. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Karmann Ghia Type 14 pays homage to its heritage while embracing a sleek, aerodynamic body. At first glance, it's easy to spot the resemblance to the original coupe, especially in its low-slung profile, curved roofline, and that signature rounded front end. However, the updated version features sharp LED headlights, a cleaner grille, design and flush door handles that add a premium touch. The car sits lower and wider than its predecessor, giving it a sportier stance, while the 19-inch alloy wheels and subtle chrome detailing add both elegance and edge. Volkswagen has kept the paint options sophisticated, with retro-inspired colors like glacier white, coral red, and a beautiful mint green that really turns heads. Moving briefly to the interior, the 2025 Karmann Ghia Type 14 blends vintage simplicity with high-end modern comfort. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for a two-door coupe, with leather-trimmed seats that offer both style and support. The dashboard design is clean, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster and a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Soft ambient lighting, brushed aluminum accents, and a flat-bottom steering wheel round out the upscale vibe. Even though the rear seats are more symbolic than practical, they fold down to offer extra storage space, making it a bit more functional than you might expect from a retro coupe. Now, let's talk about the performance. The 2025 Karmann Ghia comes with two powertrain options. The base model features a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, producing 210 horsepower, which provides a smooth, responsive ride and a 0-60 time of around 6.8 seconds. The higher performance GT variant is where things get exciting. It boasts a plug-in hybrid system, delivering a combined 300 horsepower, cutting the 0-60 time to just under 5 seconds. Both versions come with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic, transmission and rear-wheel drive, ensuring a sporty yet composed driving experience. Handling is precise. The suspension is well-tuned for both comfort and agility, and the overall feel on the road is confident and fun. As for pricing, Volkswagen has positioned the 2025 Karmann Ghia Type 14 in the premium coupe segment. The base model starts at around $38,000, while the GT hybrid variant can go up to $48,000 depending on trim and optional features. While it's not cheap, it offers a unique combination of style, performance, and heritage that's hard to match in today's market. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 14. A true blend of past and future, this car is more than just a statement piece. It's a capable and stylish ride for modern enthusiasts. Thanks for watching Automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.